So compress the film. This film cannot move at all. Because the way I gotta go in, I need it to cover around here and here. So the only way I can do that, I'm not really concerned too much about this because it's bolts to the car. And you're not gonna see with this. So I'm gonna go slow and roll it in. Once the back side's done, I'm gonna start pushing the front side down. Okay, see how I'm doing it. So when I pull it out, both sides will be covered with minimal stretch. See how you got the front lip there covered? It's all the same size, and then even on the back, but you're not gonna see any of the back, but I just wanted to make sure that it was rolled around here very consistently, here and all around here, and it is. And the only way to really achieve that is by making sure the print doesn't stretch and doesn't move, and you gotta roll it in. Same thing. Make sure it's wrapped around all the edges, around the back side, all around the front lip.